All right, this is Steve, and I'm going to share my screen here and run down a header issue that we have since we've, on some of the store sites, not all of them, only the ones that, like this one, metame.com/bath-safety. There's an issue in the header in these, and I've corrected it in bath safety just now. The issue arises because originally these were set up as bathsafety.metame.com, but because of the SSL certificate, we had to change this so that it's in this directory mode and published this way so that it's a secure site. What that did was created a problem where when you click on the header, the link in the header in xcitepro was sending it to the wrong page. So I've corrected that here. Let's take a look at one where it's not corrected. I'll do this one also, and then you can correct the rest of them. How about wheelchair store? Actually, I think the one I was going to work on is Drive Medical. So let's do that one. So here's the deal. When I click on this, it's going to take me to drivemedical.metame.com. This is an unsecure page now, and it's bringing it to the wrong area, and so it's remembering the old website in here, and which still exists, but these are not secure pages. So we need to go in and change this link, and we'll go ahead and go back here. There it is. So in all these sites, as you go through them, I'm going to copy this. Actually, here's what I'd prefer to do: HTTPS, just for secure. And we're going to use that link now. We want to use that HTTPS in all of these now when we link for everything. So let's go open our application here. First of all, need to move this. Actually, I'm going to rename this because it'll take too long to archive it. I'll archive it later. This is taking a long time too. Then we're going to go import the file I just uploaded from Box. I just downloaded this from Box, and I'm going to rename this so I know that I've done it, and then I'll come back and delete it when it's finished and I know it's correct. All right, so. No, don't be like that. God, I hate Windows. All right, so here we are. We're going to import the Drive Medical, and we'll make our corrections. Hopefully in this century. While I'm doing that, I want to show you another issue that needs to be taken care of in metame.com. What happened there? Metame.com. Why is it doing that? medame.com. I changed the home pages on these to the About page, and originally it was bed, bath, or bed, shower, bathing, and all of the products in here under bed, shower, bathing, these images are broken. And when I went in and looked at the HTML side, the source side of the pages in xcitepro, it's because these were originally uploaded to the site, and because we've changed the configuration to HTTPS, and they had www in them, or for some funky reason like that, these images aren't working, and we really need to get them working. so that they're showing up correctly like these are. So you can go in here and find, look at the image name, and you can find it in ameforyou.com images area, which you know how to get to. Or if you have trouble finding them, let me know. But it's not just on this page. It's, this is a category, and it's on the right side here. So it's in each one of these. We've got some broken links that need to be fixed. These ones, oh, that's not the same thing. Let's go back. We want down here, bed, bathtub. We've got broken links for this image. So, and for down here in the wet vac and down here. So a bunch of images that need to be corrected. Not a huge thing, but these pages get picked up in the directory, so we want to make them right. All right, so let's get back to our project here. Okay, so we're going to open up Drive Medical, assuming it downloaded here. Where did it go? And unfortunately, Lou, I just got notice not too long ago that xcitepro, the guy who built this program, has made the decision to no longer support it. It'll still remain viable and usable, but without ongoing support, this is going to be something that we're going to have to figure out how to phase out of and into something else. I'm working right now on creating some web stores using Wufoo and CSV uploads, which will be more efficient than these are. And then we'll gradually implement them, and I'm going to show you how to work in that project as it develops. But I have a developer working on it right now. Well, we've got a problem here. It's not responding. I'm going to close it and reopen it. Never fails. Bear with me, bear with me. All right, so we just shut it down. Let's open it back up. I've always been curious too. I thought you worked on a Mac, and apparently got it to work. Maybe you use Parallels, probably. We're not going to back it up. I'd be curious if you want to let me know what you're using. Are you using Parallels on your Mac to work with this? I would expect so, or something similar. When they did the Mountain Lion upgrade, it would probably cause some headaches for you. All right, here we go. Let's go in here and see if it loaded it. NAME Drive Medical old. It did not. So let's import again. And hope it comes right up. Yeah, right. A lot of these solutions that we're going to have are going to be more cloud-based, so it'll be faster and easier to work on. I know the video projects we're working on are getting better now for you being able to do these things. Okay, any day now. Load this thing up. This is a pretty big one, 10,000. Oh no, that's the MetaME site. Come on, baby, load up. Oh, don't you love the spinning wheel? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Open up. Crazy. Here's, while we're waiting for this, I want to display prominently on all of our pages from now in privacy policy and terms of use. This is going to be more important. I'm going to be doing retargeting campaigns, and we need to be very upfront about our policy. Not responding. Come on. Finish it up. Make me crazy. Hurry up. All right. Well, this is ridiculous. I'm in a Google Hangout, so I can't stop and start this. Might be part of the reason why we're having a problem too, because it's taking up a lot of resources and I'm streaming. Never fails, man. Something's hanging it up here. This is ridiculous. All right, let me do this. Let's open up the one that I just did, and then you can go ahead and do Drive Medical also. I'll finish up Drive Medical, and then you just go do the rest of them after this is done. But I'm gonna. It's a really simple tweak, but it needs to be done because it puts them in the wrong place when they click on the header and go to the wrong area. So I just did bath safety. So let's go in there and I'll show you exactly what I did. So again, the idea was for bath safety, and what it was doing was going to, when you clicked on this header, it went to bathsafety.metame.com because that was the address of the old site. That was the home page, right? So it took it here, and so what had to be done was this link had to be removed and replaced with metame.com/bathsafety, which I've already done. So if you click on here now, it takes you to the right place. And this is a secure site. The other one is not. That's the reason for this. So inside xcitepro, this thing will ever load. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the designer tab. We're going to go to the header designer area, and we're going to go to the source there and delete that link and replace it with the other one, being very careful not to erase any quotation marks or leave any extra spaces in there or something. Would have been easier for me to just write out instructions and go through this. This is nuts. I apparently need to shut down and reboot this computer because everything is running really slow. Come on, baby, load it up. There's only about 400 pages on this site. Come on. What in the hell is going on here? Piss me off. Just did this in about 10 minutes. Not even, like 5 minutes. Half an hour ago. So clearly I have an issue here. I'm going to have to reboot and redo this. Yeah.